Hello and welcome to Business 360. I'm Shireen Pan. The headlines we're tracking this evening.
I call this, it's a quintessential self-help story. India is helping itself probably dominate the world.
It can be India's decade, says Rhythm Desai of Morgan Stanley. He believes India can become the office and the factory of the world. Also expects financials, consumer discretionary, IT services and industrials to drive growth this decade. That's a CNBC-TV18 exclusive. Stock markets across the world tread with caution ahead of the US Federal Reserve's decision later tonight. A CNBC survey shows Wall Street is expecting another 75 basis point hike. Investors also believe the Fed could signal a slower pace of hikes from December. RBI Governor defends the central bank's handling of inflation, says acting prematurely would have come at a cost to citizens and the economy. Also confirms that the MPC meet tomorrow will solely focus on the letter to the government over missing the inflation target, says the ball is in the government's court on making the letter public. The Union Cabinet increases fertilizer subsidy for the Rabi season by 30,000 crore rupees, also hikes the procurement price of ethanol for public sector companies by approving a new mechanism. Adani Group proposes to hike the user convenience fee at the Ahmedabad airport for domestic travellers by sevenfold. Also seeks to double the fee for international travellers. The move will need the approval of the airport tariff regulator. Search operations continue for the fourth day after the collapse of the Morbi hanging bridge that killed 135 people. Bosses of the Areva Group that was responsible for maintenance of the bridge remain on the run. The FIR makes no mention of the Areva Group or any person, even though 9 have been arrested. Elon Musk announces an $8 monthly subscription for Twitter Blue Tick certification and other features, claims the move is essential to defeat spam and scam on the platform. Also on the show, the Maharashtra government recognizes 500 farms as agri-tourism centers. We check into one such farm to find out why they're seeing a lot of footfall since the pandemic. Well, stock markets across the world are treading with caution ahead of the US Fed